Top 5 Best RC Battery Connector. Number 1. Apex RC Products RC Battery Connector. If you are a new user and looking for an easy-to-use yet high-power battery connector, you can look for this one. Apex connectors come in high quality with 20 pieces plugs. Features: banana style collector, high quality, low resistant, 20 pieces plug set. Number 2. FINWARE RC Battery Connector. FINWARE RC Battery Connector will give you satisfaction with a very reasonable price. This is very easy to use. You can plug and unplug without any effort. Features: total 20 plugs, high temperature nylon, bullets are gold plated, less chance of deform. Number 3. Padre CRC Battery Connector. Having a RC battery connector with a multi-purpose use is not bad. Sometimes it is hard to find such a connector. Features: 19 plugs and 1 charging adapter, high quality material, 4mm banana plug, total length is 300mm. Number 4. FINWARE RC Battery Connector. Many people are worried about the safety of the connector. This model of FINWARE is the safest connectors in the market. Features: XD30U collector, trusted brand, up to 1000 times, the safest connector. Number 5. SIM&NAT RC Battery Connector. Getting a connector is not an easy job. This is very usual to get in a fluster while buying one. If the connector is not right, it may damage your battery. Features: silicone coating, protective with cover caps, high flame retardant, 1 in 8 adapters.